Chilean Air Force, fighter jet, special mission jet, helicopters, trainer jet and UAV. Fighter jets. F-16 Fighting Falcon, role, multi-role fighter, in service, 46. Northrop F-5, role, attack aircraft, in service, 11. Special mission jets. ELM 2075 Falcon, role, airborne early warning and control, in service, 1. Helicopters. Bell 412, role, utility helicopter, in service, 15. Bell UH-1, Iroquois, role, utility helicopter, in service, 15. Sikorsky, UH-60, role, utility helicopter, in service, 7. Trainer jets. A-29 Super Tucano, role, trainer jet, in service, 18. C-101 Aviojet, role, trainer jet, in service, 19. Cirrus SR-22, role, trainer jet, in service, 8. T-35 Pilon, role, trainer jet, in service, 31. Cessna 01 Bird Dog, role, trainer jet, in service, 3. Bell 206, Jet Ranger, role, rotorcraft, in service, 4. Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, UAV. Elbit Hermes 900, role, surveillance, in service, 3. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.